I don't want to try to cut you off. Please finish, but I just want to kind of point out that
I do want to say, but I think it's also important to hold down costs for families and employees.
Dave, I don't mean to interrupt, but
and what you can and cannot buy.
Paul,
there's just a difference in philosophy.
No. Look, this is an important point.
Pay a little less, get a little less coverage, or pay a little more and get more coverage.
Can I just say that at this point, anytime the question is phrased as, does Washington...
You're talking about letting companies into California. I'm talking about letting individuals out.
No, it's the same idea, Marcia. It doesn't matter whether the companies are going in or people going out.
I thank you, Mr. President.
Let me just make this point, John, because we're not campaigning anymore. The election's over.
I'm reminded of that every day.
Yeah.
Could I just say, Mr. President, the American people care about what we did and how we did it. Well, I think we ought, and it's a subject that I think we should discuss. Thank you.
They absolutely do care about it, John.
To start over.
Let me just, there's one thing I've got to, there are a number of issues as usual that I've got significant difference with. Change that we should make.
Yeah, I think actually we would. We'd really focus on it. You'd have more, as we say, skin in the game. People would, and especially if they had a savings account, a health savings account, they could put their money into that, and they'd be spending the money out of that.
So, I want to go to...
Mr. President, having a high deductible plan and a health savings account is an option for members of Congress and federal employees.
That's right, because members of Congress get paid $176,000 a year.
Did take advantage of that. Because it's the same plan that the park rangers get in the Yellowstone National Park.
The cost issue is legitimate. We're going to address it.
Mr. President, if I could just,
I point that out just because, these are the kind of political things we do that prevent us from actually having a conversation. Now, let me respond to your question.